Hello beautiful, it's me again, and today I'm sharing 3 cooking methods that let you nourish your body and live your life. Air frying, baking, and steaming. They give you more control over how much oil, fat, and salt you're using, and they don't demand that you stand over a hot stove all day and night to do it. I mean, you've got family, work, homework, an entire life to live, right? So let's get into it. Method 1, air frying. Apparently, you can't live without it. Do you have an air fryer? Me either. But apparently we're missing out because people cannot live without their air fryer. I swear, it's a thing. I asked 3 friends, including my filmmaker who's here with me right now, to borrow their air fryer for 2 hours to film this video. And you know what they said? No. I cook with my air fryer every day. I use it for everything. Blah, 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 blah. The first one I asked was my neighbor. And when she texted back, and I quote, "I use it daily for convenience and to avoid cooking. So no, I won't be able to loan it to you." I was like, what? What do you mean? It's just for 2 hours. But then when the third text came in with a no, I was like, it's a thing. An air fryer is something you cannot live without. So I'm thinking we should all go out and buy one. I mean, they're really affordable now, so I hear. You can get one for around $20. So you know what? That's what we do. Pause this video right here and go get you an air fryer. I'm gonna go get mine and I'll be back. I'm back. Let's see what this baby can do. This baby? Yeah, I see why people can't live without it. Yeah, this is staying with me. This is mine, and no, you cannot borrow it. I hope you got yours. Method 2, baking. Let your oven be your sous chef. Baking is perfect for days when you only have 45 minutes at home, but you need to be doing like 30 other things. So every day, right? On those days, let your oven be your sous chef because no babysitting is required. All you need to do is set the temp, line a tray, and then go live your life. Come back and dinner is done. Method 3, steaming. Let's be clear, I am not here to promote soggy veggies because nobody wants that. I'm talking quick and crisp because steaming is the quickest of these 3 methods. In just 5 to 7 minutes, you can not only cook but eat crisp, tender veggies. And eating is living. Oh, and no excuses. You do not need a fancy steamer basket to steam. Just use your metal strainer or a colander over a pot of boiling water or microwave them. But pat them dry, then lightly salt and sauce them because no one wants wet, flavorless food. No one. For a quick snack, I like to steam fresh green beans. I like those long, sexy ones. And then drizzle them with soy sauce, a squeeze of lime, and a touch of honey. Honey? Divine. 3 cooking methods that allow you to nourish your body and live your life. So please play around with them and do just that. Live your life and be beautifully fed.